Here are some amazing facts about partridge. General facts. Partridges belong to the family Phasianidae, which also includes pheasants, quails, and turkeys. There are over 40 species of partridges found across Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. They are medium-sized birds with short legs, round bodies, and a small head. The most famous species is the gray partridge Perdix, often mentioned in folklore and songs. Partridges are ground-dwelling birds that rarely fly unless startled. Habitat and range. They prefer grasslands, farmlands, and open woodlands. Partridges are non-migratory and generally stay within their home range year-round. In Europe, gray partridges are often found in farmland and open fields. The chakar partridge is native to the rocky terrains of the Middle East and South Asia. Some species, like the crested partridge, inhabit tropical rainforests. Physical characteristics. They have cryptic plumage that helps them blend with their surroundings. Males are often slightly larger than females. Partridges have strong legs adapted for running. Their short, rounded wings are ideal for quick bursts of flight. Some species, like the red-legged partridge, have striking patterns on their feathers. Diet and foraging. Partridges are omnivorous, feeding on seeds, grains, insects, and greens. They often forage in groups, called coveys, for safety. Their diet shifts seasonally, with a preference for protein-rich insects during breeding. Young chicks rely heavily on insects for rapid growth. In agricultural areas, they help control insect populations. Behavior. Partridges are known for their strong pair bonds. They are territorial and defend their nesting areas aggressively. During the non-breeding season, they form coveys of 5 to 20 birds. They communicate with a variety of calls, from alarm signals to mating songs. Their distinctive chuck calls are used to signal danger. Reproduction and nesting. They are monogamous, often mating for life. Female partridges lay between 10 to 20 eggs in a single clutch. Their nests are simple ground scrapes lined with grass and feathers. Eggs are camouflaged to blend with their environment. Incubation lasts about 23 to 25 days. Parenting. Both parents play a role in rearing chicks. Chicks are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. Parents guide them to food and protect them from predators. Partridges exhibit distraction displays to lure predators away from their young. Families often stay together until the next breeding season. Predators and survival. Common predators include foxes, hawks, and snakes. Camouflage is their first line of defense against predators. They rely on short bursts of flight to escape danger. Coveys provide safety in numbers, making it harder for predators to single out an individual. Humans are one of their primary threats, due to hunting and habitat destruction. Cultural significance. Partridges are a symbol of love and fertility in some cultures. They are featured in the Christmas carol The 12 Days of Christmas. In Greek mythology, the partridge is associated with the craftsman Daedalus. Partridges appear in various folk tales as clever and resourceful birds. They are a popular game bird in many countries. Conservation. Some species, like the gray partridge, are declining due to habitat loss and farming practices. Conservation efforts include habitat restoration and predator management. Many countries have hunting regulations to protect partridge populations. The reintroduction of traditional hedgerows in Europe benefits partridges. Partridges are an indicator species for farmland ecosystem health. Unique facts. The chakar partridge is the national bird of Pakistan. Partridges can run up to 20 km/h to evade predators. They have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years in the wild. Their feathers are used in traditional crafts and fly fishing. In captivity, partridges can live up to 10 years. Fun trivia. Partridges can dust bathe to clean their feathers and remove parasites. They are known for their loyalty, often returning to the same nesting site each year. Partridges were introduced to North America in the early 20th century. They are sometimes called poultry of the wild. In some regions, they are celebrated in festivals and hunting traditions. Ecological role. Partridges disperse seeds, aiding plant reproduction. Their droppings enrich the soil, promoting plant growth. They play a crucial role in maintaining insect population balance.